In 2026, the laptop world has never been more divided. Today, we're pitting the ultra-efficient MacBook Pro 14 M5 against the raw, industrial power of the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2. One is a sleek, creative powerhouse. The other is a literal portable desktop. Watch till the end before you buy. I'll crown a clear winner for your workflow. Links for the latest deals are below. Drop a like, it helps a ton. Comparing the Apple MacBook Pro 14 M5 and the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is like pitting a high-end sports car against a heavy-duty freight truck. The MacBook remains the poster child for minimalist elegance, carved from a single block of aluminum that feels as dense as a neutron star despite its relatively svelte 3.4-pound frame. It is a design that hasn't changed because it hasn't had to. It is rigid, professional, and fits into a backpack without requiring a chiropractor appointment afterward. In stark contrast, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is unapologetically massive. At 6.5 pounds, it is an industrial slab of magnesium and aluminum built for the drop-it-on-a-concrete-floor-and-keep-working crowd. While the Apple machine feels like a luxury item that happens to be powerful, the Lenovo feels like a piece of specialized lab equipment that happens to have a keyboard. The divergence continues when you look at how these machines talk to the outside world. Apple's port layout is a love letter to the modern creative, offering 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports alongside the much-loved MagSafe 3 connector and a full-size SDXC slot. It is clean and efficient, though it's a bit cheeky that Apple stuck with Thunderbolt 4 in 2026 when the Pro crowd is increasingly hungry for next-gen bandwidth. The ThinkPad, however, treats ports like a utility belt. It includes the legacy essentials Apple abandoned years ago, like USB-A and a dedicated RJ45 Ethernet jack, making it a dream for engineers who still deal with physical hardware on-site. Yet, the Lenovo has a frustrating quirk. Despite its array of modern tech, it refuses to charge via USB-C, forcing you to lug around a proprietary heavy power adapter. The MacBook, meanwhile, lets you top off with almost any USB-C cable in a pinch, even if MagSafe remains the superior choice for avoiding laptop-off-the-desk disasters. One machine aims for seamless integration into a digital-first lifestyle, while the other provides every physical connection you could possibly need, provided you don't mind the extra baggage. When it comes to the visual experience, these two machines take fundamentally different paths toward professional excellence. The MacBook Pro 14 M5 continues to rely on its liquid Retina XDR display, which remains a marvel of mini LED technology. It is a screen designed for high dynamic range content, pushing an incredible 1600 nits of peak brightness that makes HDR highlights pop with a realism few laptops can mimic. The inclusion of ProMotion ensures that scrolling through code or scrubbing a timeline feels liquid smooth at 120 Hz, while the new 1000 nit SDR ceiling makes it much more viable for outdoor work than its predecessors. On the other side of the aisle, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 prioritizes sheer canvas size and variety. Its standard 165 Hz IPS panel is great for fluid movement, but the real star is the optional 4K OLED touchscreen. While it doesn't quite match the MacBook's searing peak brightness, the OLED's infinite contrast and perfect blacks provide a different kind of depth that is often preferred by color-critical designers and photographers who need pixel-perfect accuracy without the blooming sometimes associated with mini LED. The disparity in communication hardware is perhaps where the generational gap feels most obvious. Apple has integrated a 12-megapixel center stage camera into the MacBook's notch, which is arguably the best webcam in the laptop market as of 2026. It doesn't just offer a sharp image. It uses software intelligence to keep the user framed and looking well-lit even in the chaotic shadows of a coffee shop. It's a tool built for the era of remote collaboration, where looking professional on a call is a requirement, not a luxury. The ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, despite being a flagship workstation, treats its webcam more like a utility. It is perfectly functional for a standard corporate meeting, but it lacks the computational magic and low-light finesse of the Apple sensor. It's a serviceable component in a machine that clearly expects you to be more focused on the data on your screen than the face in the corner of the call. In terms of physical interaction, the choice between these two is almost a matter of philosophy. The MacBook Pro's Magic Keyboard is a masterclass in stability and precision, offering a tactile click that feels expensive and deliberate, paired with the industry-leading Force Touch trackpad. Apple's trackpad remains the gold standard because it doesn't actually click. It uses haptic motors to trick your brain, allowing for uniform pressure across the entire glass surface. It's elegant and nearly impossible to break. Lenovo, however, caters to the tactile purists. The ThinkPad keyboard is legendary for a reason, featuring significantly deeper key travel and a sculpted shape that feels more like a desktop peripheral than a laptop interface. It also includes a full-size numpad, which is a godsend for engineers and accountants, alongside the iconic red track point for those who prefer not to move their hands from the home row. While the Lenovo trackpad is solid, it simply cannot match the haptic sophistication of the MacBook, though the physical buttons above the pad are a vital inclusion for CAD users who need a dedicated middle click. The conversation around battery life is less of a comparison and more of a study in extremes. The M5 chip inside the MacBook Pro is a triumph of efficiency, allowing the machine to cruise through a full 24 hours of video playback or a demanding workday without the user ever glancing at a battery icon. It is a laptop that invites you to leave the charger at home. The ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 lives a different life. Because it is essentially a desktop PC folded into a portable chassis, its Intel HX series processor and NVIDIA Ada GPU are incredibly thirsty for power. Under light use, you might squeeze out a morning's worth of work, but under the heavy loads this machine was built for, the battery can drain in just a couple of hours. It is a mobile workstation in the sense that you can move it from one desk to another, but it effectively requires a tether to a wall outlet to maintain its peak performance, whereas the MacBook remains just as fast whether it's plugged in or sitting on a park bench. The internal engines of these two machines represent a clash between elegant integration and raw, brute force modularity. Inside the MacBook Pro 14, the M5 chip is a masterclass in unified architecture, blending a 10-core CPU with a 10-core GPU and a specialized neural engine that handles AI tasks with a level of efficiency that feels almost telepathic. It is a chip that manages to stay remarkably cool and silent while delivering a nearly 20% jump in CPU performance over its predecessor. Meanwhile, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is a beast of a different color, housing Intel's HX series processors that can scale all the way up to the Core i9-13980HX. While the MacBook wins on single-core agility and power per watt, the ThinkPad is built for the long haul of multi-threaded marathons. It is the kind of machine that doesn't just perform, it dominates through raw wattage, though it does so with a much louder fan signature and a significantly higher thermal ceiling that reminds you exactly how much power is being consumed. When you pivot to creative workloads like video editing and 3D rendering, the M5 MacBook Pro shows off its new GPU-based neural accelerators, which transform AI-assisted creative tools into near-instantaneous processes. For a laptop this portable, its ability to tackle 4K timelines and its dramatically improved Blender rendering speeds, which are reportedly 60% to 70% faster than the previous generation, is frankly startling. However, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 remains the titan for projects of massive scale. Because it can be configured with up to 192GB of RAM and 8TB of storage, it handles data-heavy VFX and complex 3D simulations that would eventually choke the MacBook's unified memory limits. The NVIDIA RTX Ada graphics provide professional-grade GPU acceleration that remains the industry standard for engineers and architects. This makes the ThinkPad less of a laptop and more of a portable workstation that refuses to compromise on throughput, even if it requires a much larger physical footprint to achieve those results. Gaming on these two devices reveals a closing gap that few would have predicted just a few years ago. The MacBook Pro M5 has finally made Mac gaming a credible reality rather than a niche hobby, utilizing hardware ray tracing and MetalFX frame interpolation to run demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 at playable rates. It is a refined, quiet gaming experience that looks stunning on the liquid Retina XDR display. Yet the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 still holds the crown for raw frame rates and sheer library compatibility. With its high-end NVIDIA GPUs and a 165Hz display, it functions essentially like a high-end gaming rig that happens to be dressed in a matte black business suit. While it can push AAA games at high settings with ease, it lacks the MacBook's finesse. You will definitely hear the fans roaring to keep the hardware from throttling, and the experience is strictly a plugged-in affair. One offers a surprisingly capable and efficient way to play on the go, while the other offers sheer, unadulterated power at the cost of portability and silence. Choosing a winner depends on your lifestyle, but for 2026, the MacBook Pro 14 M5 takes the crown. Its unmatched blend of elite performance, silent operation, and all-day battery life makes it the superior choice for most. However, if you need 192GB of RAM or industrial ports, grab the ThinkPad. Don't forget to check the links below for the best prices.